What's going on, y'all? Hope you're having a great day, morning, or evening. It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook, and y'all read the title, man. This trading strategy turned me into a profitable trader. Now, if this is your first time on the channel, welcome. I appreciate you giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly content like this, but we also live stream and live trade every day, London session 3 a.m. EST on this very same channel. So as you can see right here, we're looking at GPUSD. We caught this huge trade. Not only did we break this down in the Sunday chart analysis, but we also entered this and broke this down during the London session live on Monday. Not Monday, on Tuesday, I meant. So we go to Tuesday to 6, you'll see that again. You go to the live stream on Tuesday to 6, you'll see that we did break this down and indeed, in fact, enter this and see TPs getting hit during the live stream. So this trade right here was a huge 1-to-4 risk reward ratio, which means whatever we risked, we made 4 times that amount. If I risked $100, I would have made $400. If I risked $1,000, I would have made $4,000 off this one trade alone, right? And of course, I didn't just break this down in London session live. I also made sure the members was able to get in on this as well with me. Again, you see the date, same date, August 6th. You see the entry, you see the SL, you see the time we enter this trade, 3:01 a.m. to start a London session. You see the TPs, you see the reactions, you see the TPs getting hit. That thing tanked to the downside. And then you see the New York price watch it. I dropped this for the members every day at the beginning of New York, going over the trades we took during Tokyo or London session and the possible setups going into New York. We also have a free signal, free Telegram. As you can see right here, this is how we did last month for May. We went 16-4, giving us an 80% win rate, cost 69,396 pips. You can see this by going to June 3rd. You can also see some student results and testimonial, and over 1,000 receipts of screenshots of student results, testimonials, screenshots of actual position of trades I took, screenshots of signals I called, all that good stuff. So make sure to hit that first link in the description and check all that stuff out. Now, that's how we did last month. Now, how we did quarter 1 to start the year off, we went 53-4, giving us a 93% win rate. January, we went 20-0, catching 37,620 pips. February, we went 17-1, catching 24,403 pips. Then March, we went 16-3, catching 49,783 pips, catching a total of 111,806 pips. You can see this by scrolling to April 4th. You click right here. You click right here. It's going to take you to the beginning of the year. Now let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So now we're going to break down why we went for sells and how you can catch a similar move just like this one. So the first thing I always tell my members and students to do is identify the trend. The trend is going to tell you the direction price is going and the overall bias. A lot of mistakes I see traders make is they focus on what price is doing at that exact moment versus what price is going to be doing or heading overall. You need to figure out the overall bias, and the best way to figure out the overall bias is to go on the bigger time frames. You can't identify the trend in the hour, the 5-minute, the 1-minute chart. You need to be on a bigger time frame. Just think about it. When you think about stocks or investing or crypto, do they pull up a 5-minute chart? No, they usually pull up what? 4-hour, a daily, weekly, or monthly chart. Why? Because that's how price moves. Price moves on a day-by-day, week-by-week, month-by-month basis. And just because price might be going down today doesn't necessarily mean that it's in a downtrend. It's just like price might be going up today doesn't necessarily mean that we're in an uptrend. So it's very important to understand how to identify the trend. So if you do not understand how to identify the trend, pause this video and watch the one that just popped up on your screen. It's very important to understand how this works. When we look at price right here and looking at GU, we're obviously in a downtrend. So since we're in a downtrend, that means we only want to look for sells. Just like if we was in an uptrend, that means we only want to look for buys, no matter what. So now that we understand that we're in a downtrend, now we need to mark off our key price levels to figure out exactly where we want to enter and where we're going to exit at. Boom. Now that we got our key price levels marked off, now we want to figure out where's the best place to look for the next entry at. Again, if you're going to enter sells, you want to enter off resistance levels. If you're going to look for buys, you want to enter off support levels. So now is when we go into the smaller time frame to wait for our confirmations and see how price reacts to these levels. So again, when we look at Monday here, price was just consolidating here all day for the most part. And then when we fast forward, that brings us into Tokyo session. Going into London session, price is still treating this level as resistance. As you can see, it was catching sells the week before as well, the beginning of the reversal. So again, Since we missed this sell setup here on this resistance level, the next best place to look for a sell at is if price can break the support level and treat it as resistance. Boom. So once price broke this level here, we see that it's retesting and treating as resistance. Once we see price is holding this level as resistance, that gave me the green light to go for this trade. So again, all I gotta do is figure out where my TP and my SL is gonna be, and then calculate my lot size, and then let price do the rest of the work. And the rest was history. Beautiful tank to the downside. Now again, notice how price reacts to these levels. There's a reason why we have these levels marked off. There's a reason why we enter off these levels, and there's a reason why we exit off these levels. It's very, very, very simple. And again, you want to enter sells off resistance, you want to enter buys off support, and it's that simple, y'all. So again, you want to identify the trend, figure out what direction price is going, identify your key price levels, enter buys off support, sells off resistance, wait for the retest and confirmation. I am strongly against breakout trading. You have a higher win rate and success rate and likelihood of price going your way when you wait the extra 15-30 minutes for that confirmation to see if price can hold a level. Because just because price breaks a level doesn't mean it's going to hold the level. You see how price broke this level multiple times, but it did not hold the level like it held here. All right, y'all. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description, join a free signal and free Telegram. And definitely don't want to miss out on any of these signals. You see how we've been killing it this year. You see how we killed it last month. If you're interested in advanced play signal, hit those links in the description. Or if you're interested in learning how to identify these levels, my mentorship programs, make sure to hit those links in the description. I have the playbook course as well as one-on-one sessions. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. Advanced play signal, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free signal, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York price watch list. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible setups going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York price watch list. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the advanced play signal room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long. But you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded and are an hour long, and they're sent to you same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.